In this video, we are going to go over a lesson on the power of quick flips. Why quick flips can make you hundreds of percentages in return every year, possibly even more. I've been doing this month, a lot of quick flips, a lot of flipping, and those 3%, 1%, 8% wins, they add up, and over again, you do that, and bam, next thing you know, you're up 33%, 38%, 50% for the month, right? That is the power of quick flips. You need to have at least 10K. If you have only 2 to 3K, that kind of, you need to have a little more. You need to have at least 10K, because that when you can get in, and if it doesn't work out, you just average down until it goes back up, and you quick flip over and over again. That's what we've been doing. It just quick flip after quick flip, right? You buy, it goes up 5%, bam, 5%. Oh, it does it again, boom, another 5%. Now I'm up 10%, right? Too many people, they focus on the home runs when you should be focusing on those little hits that add up to 100%, 200% return. It's a little more work because you're constantly having to manage it, get in and get out, get in and get out. What is the price doing? What are we doing today? What's going on? But ultimately, there is more potential reward because you have the ability to get in, get out with 6%, rinse over and over again. And you do that 10 times, that's 60% return. You do that 100 times, that's 600% return. Yes, it's going to take time, just like anything, even a swing trade where you hit a home run and make 100, 200%. It's going to take time regardless, right? The only way to make fast money is if you want to gamble and buy some risky speculative plays, or you go in all in on options as well. You can also do that. Or you get lucky. You buy a stock and then the next day or that same day overnight, it just booms, right? But that's not my style. My style is not to buy speculative. I'd rather play it safe, buy something that's good, right, in terms of a business, being a really good business that has growing revenues, and then buy in when it's cheap, and then it goes back up. We make our money, rinse and repeat. That is my style. So here's what I'm going to show you. Quick flips, the power of quick flips. Right now is the best time to be quick flipping APOD. Why? Because it's at the bottom of this big range. Right? You don't really want to be flipping up here at the top of the range. Never do you want to be flipping up here. You want to flip down here, right? You buy, let's say you bought here and then it went up 6%. You're like, you know what? I'll take the 6%. And then you buy again here and then, finally moves up and you're up another 6%. And then you're like, you know what? I'm going to buy today because he said buy and quick flip. And then you're going to take another 6%. Bam. It moves up to $30. You're just going to take the 6% and not be greedy. Now you're up 18%. Right, you're up 18%, and it's been since July, August. So in the span of a month, you would be up 18%. On a quick flip, you're not even doing anything. You just buy, and then you set a take profit of 6%, and then you get the notification. Oh, I made 6%. Cool. Let me wait and see if it dips so I can buy more. And then you buy on the dip on a red day, and then it goes up. Or you can buy today on the green. It doesn't matter. You just throw the money at the markets while it's under the purple line. You just throw money at it. And you flip it over and over and over again. Now, why don't you want to do this up here? Well, that should be obvious. You don't want to be quick flipping up here because you're quick flipping at the top. And yeah, the stock has already moved from 20 to 50. Or even 20 to 40. You should be thinking in your head, oh hell no, I am not quick flipping here because if it's the top, you buy here and then it dumps like 23%. And then let's say you buy at 50. I mean, you're just getting destroyed. So quick flips is most effective in two places. Under the purple line, while it's just going sideways, quick flip the hell out of it. Because at some point, we're going to revert back and go and bounce back above the purple line and back to 40s. And in a bull market. In a bull market is another place you can make a lot of money quick flipping in a bull market. Because what happens in a bull market, guys? What happens? It just goes up, right? Right? You could have just quick flipped here for you could have quick flipped for like a quick 6%, then another 20%, then maybe 8%. And then here, oh my God, it just blew up and went to the moon. And then here, let's say you bought the top. Well, it's a bull run. Who cares if you bought the top? Guess what? It came back up for you, moved another, let's say you just take 9%. And then, oh my God, it just keeps going. Wow, that's the power of a bull run. It just keeps going up. You could literally buy the top here. You could buy the top here, and it just kept going up for you and coming back up for you and then higher. That is actually the best situation because you make a lot more. That's when you're making 10, 20% a day. Sometimes, not always. Maybe a few days go by and you make your 10-20%, and that adds up to a lot of money. People get excited. Oh my God, everyone's making so much money. I'm going to miss out. Let me jump in at the top. Woo! Right? So those are the two best places to do your quick flips, under the purple line and when we're in a bull run. We're not in a bull run on APLD. So yeah, I mean, that should be obvious. We've been going sideways, right? We went on a bull run here from $3 to a peak of 40. And then, yeah, we've just been sideways since then. So there you go, guys. If a stock is in a trading range, wait for it to go under the purple line and quick flip the hell out of it. This is why I've been telling people buy APLD for long term, for quick flips, IonQ, Riot, and so many others. And that is the power of quick flips. The most important thing is to know when to quick flip. You know, there's people who are stupid who quick flip at the highs because they're afraid. They're like, oh my God, I'm going to miss out. Everyone is making so much money. They're posting it on social media. So everyone's making money and not me. So I'm going to, you know, buy at 50. Right? Because they don't know any better. They're just like seeing everyone make money and they got to get in there because they're afraid of missing out. And so, yeah, there you go. It's more about knowing when to quick flip and when not to. And that knowledge alone will take you far. And that is it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the power of quick flips.